Here's our room. We have a king nature view room. Look at this new groovy thing since we checked in here last. Hello. Ooh. Oh, they did a nice job with the refurbs. Beautiful sinks, lots of storage. Oh wow, no more shower curtain. Ooh, I like this a lot. Hold on. I like this a lot. I'm not a huge fan of the tub with the... Have you guys ever noticed Disney bathtubs are like really, really shallow? Very pretty. See, if this was me at home, I would be squeegeeing that every day because I don't like water drops on it. And we have new design for the shower stuff. Look at that. Very, very lovely. I like the wood paneling. The Chippendale tiles are gone. They were a little bit creepy, staring at you naked when you showered. Lots of towels. I really like the room design. It's very nice. This is really pretty. We have extra blanket, extra pillow hanging. I like the touch here. There we go. Hangers. And I'm guessing ironing board. Nope, not an ironing board. Oh, a steamer. The safe. Lots of cabinet space. Ice bucket. Coffee maker. Coffee cups. Coffee itself. I'm guessing this is the fridge. Ooh, look at that. You can see into it. Look, the room comes with Chewy.
There's trees.
Yeah, it looks three-dimensional, doesn't it? Is it just an optical illusion? It's just an optical illusion. And they have these really nice little bed lights. Padded. We need to call and get more pillows. Pretty. Lots of drawers. Pretty TV. Again, Chewy. I like these. Chairs. The lamps are pretty too. Oh, they did a nice job. And here's our nature view. Nature. A little bit of the parking lot. Awesome. We'll be able to watch the sunset if we're ever in here. Okay. Light. I'm guessing these are these guys.
That one is.
Yep, lots of lights. Cool. So I'm sorry, what side are you sleeping on? That side. Okay. Excellent. We're going to relax for a little bit. When you walk out of our room, as you can see, we're right at the very end. Well, actually, we're at the front. And there's a desk, and we look out over the lobby. We stayed a couple floors up, right on this same hallway a couple years ago, and when we laid in bed, you could hear the lobby music until midnight, and that's when they cut it off. All right, let's hit the Magic Kingdom. We have a very long walk. Oh look, we can come sit here. The Spanish moss, yeah. It's always so pretty walking out to the boat. It's not quite as hot. The boat just pulled away, so we'll get to stare at Bay Lake for a little while. There's Geyser Point. I don't think we're gonna have time to get over there. The clock's not right. But at least the scrim's down. She's looking pretty. Well, there was a little glitch with our magic bands. They weren't reading our 3 days of tickets. So a little stop at guest relations fixed that up. And we snagged 2, fast passes. All right, here we go. Let's try this again. Thank you. It's so weird to see the Halloween stuff up so, well, fall stuff up so early.
He works here.
And we're in. You excited, Poppy?
Yes, I am.
We've got an hour. Hour before Happily Ever After begins. Woo! Ready to see the castle with her birthday stuff? Look. Yay. All right, I pick Haunted Mansion for my ride. What do you want to do?
No, literally, we found that out yesterday because we were dying on
Haunted Mansion was great as always. We're both tired. The heat really zapped us this afternoon. Chewy slept about an hour in the room. But I had too much Disney excitement. But I'm starting to fade. So he went to get some soft serve ice cream from Storybook Treats. I always want to call it Friar Nook, and that's wrong. And we're just gonna sit here and wait for Happily Ever After. We're not even gonna make it over to do the People Mover, I don't think. See, I'm all sweaty. I'm doing okay with the mask, but it makes my face just so wet. So it feels so great to be back here. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. We really love our room. I love the redesign. The refurb is really great. I'm not crying. Ready to begin. Let the wonder take hold. I was very indifferent. I can still remember we stood in front of the castle. It was really crowded. And I was like, meh, when it was over. And the music has really grown on me, especially that last song. Well, we're tired. We're gonna start the slow progression down. You wanna take the bus or the boat? I think that's gonna be a wrap for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow.